Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you have a Samsung budget phones like A series, M series, F series or older S series, and if you are waiting for One UI 8.5 stable update, then guys I have a huge good news for all of you guys. Alright, first let me share the good news for the Z series users. Guys, Fold 5 and Flip 5 has started receiving One UI 8.5 stable update in India and other countries. So if you have Fold 5 and Flip 5, you can go to settings and check for the update. Samsung has started rolling out One UI 8.5 stable update for you guys also. And the big good news is, this is kind of very surprising, and the good news is guys, Samsung has started rolling out One UI 8.5 official update to Galaxy A26 users. As you can see, Sam Mobile has confirmed it, and currently North American users has got the update, and obviously for India and other countries I think the update will start from tomorrow. And not just A26, A17 has also got the update on Vietnam. So if you live in Vietnam, if you have A17, then A17 users has got the update. This is kind of very surprising, because till now Samsung haven't rolled out the One UI 8.5 stable update to A55, A35 users, even for S22 series, but they have rolled out the update for A26 and A17, which is very budget phones. This is kind of surprising. And more good news coming up. If you have a budget phones and if you are waiting for One UI 8.5 stable update, they are saying the testing for the One UI 8.5 stable update for the budget phones also has already finished, and now Samsung is ready to roll out. And the news is that all these devices, you can see the list. Okay, I will not read one by one. Starting from S22 series or A17 has already started receiving the update, and I heard a news that in some countries like A16 also got the update already, A16 5G. I don't confirm that news, but there is a news coming up that A16 also got the update. But yeah, A26 and A17 is confirmed they got the update. Okay, so you can see the phone list over here. You can read it, take a screenshot, and this phone will get update before next Monday. So yes guys, this is a huge good news that finally Samsung is rolling out a One UI 8.5 stable update to older phones also and budget phones also. So I think before next Monday, S22 series will also receive the update, and I think A55 and A35 might receive the update maybe tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow will start receiving the update. But I think S22 series will receive the update before next Monday or next Monday, starting from next Monday. And these devices also receive update on next Monday, starting from next Monday or before next Monday. Okay, so take a screenshot. So alright guys, thank you very much for watching guys, and if you have this budget phones, then get ready for the One UI 8.5 stable update in few days. And guys, as I told you, A26 and A17 has already started receiving update in some countries. Okay, I think for global users, the update will start from tomorrow. And obviously if I get any other news, I will definitely make a video. And obviously let me tell you that Tarun has also confirmed it. If you guys, you will see like fake news, etc. Tarun is very trusted guy on Twitter. He always share a genuine news. So he is also saying like A16 and A26 has got the update before S22 series and A55. This is kind of he's making fun of Samsung. Okay, and this is kind of fun also. Like I think S22 series and A55 users should get the update before, because they are much pricey phone. So obviously this is Samsung, they do what they do. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, just comment below, and please like the video. Bye, have a great day, take care.